Hi everyone, well that's the boiler, ready now to be lagged, and all its bits and pieces put on. It's a nice thing. Try it this way, might be easier to do. That's where the burner will go, the gas supply to burner, the jet is on. I don't know if I can get a shot of the cross tubes. There's a steam fitting here, the safety valve fitting, and a couple of other steam fittings. I'll probably have a whistle on one. That's the general plan. The chimney there, substantial thing. So now the lagging bit. I hate that job. And that's it with the ceramic cloth lagging in place. You can see the clack valve there. Not completely tightened, but it's there. Just to locate the lagging. And that's how it'll go. Bit of trimming and it'll be done. It's just stuck on temporary with super glue, but the wood part of the cladding and the boiler bands will hold it in place permanently. It's a tedious, long-winded job covering the ceramic cloth insulation with wood strips, but it's a job that has to be done. As you can see, I just put a spot of glue and an elastic band just to hold the wood in place temporarily, and then they'll get boiler bands round them in the end. But I think it'll turn out quite well. This job of lagging is so boring. And takes forever. But for any serious steaming, it has to be done insulation and the cladding. There we are, one boiler band in place. Needs tightening up. And that's the general effect. And that's the other one ready to go on. Cut the size. And with a second band in place. Looks quite good. Bit of tidying up to do and a bit of varnishing on them wooden slats. And I might put another boiler band on but I'll have to order some more brass strip because that's about my whack. There are little 6BA nuts and bolts in there. It doesn't look too bad. Oh, a bit of varnish and titillating and it'll be ready for a steam test. That's the safety valve there. Steam to the engine, steam to the whistle, and I've got a spare steam outlet there that I could connect a boiler steam driven feed pump to, or more likely a regulator for the gas pressure. They're very good. As steam pressure falls, they turn the gas up, and vice versa. There's the sight gas and the pressure gauge. I think I'll set the safety valve to 40 to start with anyway. See where we go from there. But that's more or less it. As I say, ready to give it a steam test. I'll just fill it up through the safety valve to test it, because I haven't piped in the crack valve yet. It's a very handy thing. It's just a non-return valve, ball bearing in it, so you can top the boiler up when it's actually steaming. But it's not too bad a job at all. I'm quite pleased with it. Bit of tidying up on them bands, but otherwise it's okay. Well, there it is, lit for the first time. Hope you can see the flame in there. Just wait for the pressure to build now. A little drip from the crack valve until the pressure builds up to seat the ball bearing, and then we'll see how Neil's design for a 4.5-inch boiler works. Oh, the whistle works. It doesn't take too much out of the boiler. Well, oh, I love that whistle. Bit of chain on the end of it now. Still a drip from that crack valve, but I think it's coming from the blanking plug I've got on the top here. So that's not a great problem. Still keeping its pressure nice. And the safety valve is seated. So I think that can go down as a success. One thing I have found out, I have to light it with a taper through these holes. If you try to light It's from the chimney. It goes off with a bong or whatever. It doesn't sound too healthy, so long taper kitchen match you can get off the burner there. But everything is going nicely. That's the water in the glass. If there's any bits in that. Fine. And there's the safety valve starting again at around 50. I'll turn the gas off now. And there we are, the safety valve is seated. Everything's going fine. The wagon's working. Not too hot on the wood now. So there we go, steam test done.